Yeah.
It's really starting to come down out here. It's real icy, real snowy. We finally got the snowmobile gassed up, so John's gonna take her off. Let's see it, John. Oh boy.
Well guys, welcome to Maine. This is the second video we filmed up here. Today's gonna be kind of an interesting one. We're still getting kind of adjusted. We arrived here late last night and it has been quite the doozy of a trip. 23 hours in the car, I kid you not. We drove probably 300 miles like in the snowiest conditions ever. We were like some of the only people on the road, but we made it safe and sound and we got the sled started and we've got the cabin warmed up and it should be good epi. Today, we are going to buy a toy. We're going to get a new toy. I already have a toy that I barely use. This was actually up in Wisconsin for a bit, but now we've got it in Maine, putting it through the ringer. But we gotta buy another sled because there's 3 guys in one sled and there's not a whole lot of room back there. So we're gonna go sled shopping today and we're also gonna get all situated. We've got a ton of ice fishing gear we gotta get dialed in. For the next 6 days, we're gonna be fishing completely uncharted new water, for us at least. I've never ice fished Maine. I've never even caught a fish in Maine. And it's kind of weird saying that now because I bought a cabin in Maine, but this is what's exciting about it. We're gonna explore this place. It's a good thing the Polaris is running nice. We're gonna park this puppy and then get a little brother for him because you always have to have 2 toys. You can never just have one. Hey there, Gazer.
What are those?
I'm gonna fix my up.
Oh yeah.
Yep, this is just what happens when it's winter.
It's so hard to get mad at you though. Believe me, I'll have my turn.
I was a little excited, jumped the gun a little bit and started yanking cords out, and I don't know if it was like there was some ice maybe in here or what, or I just pulled it at the worst possible angle, but the terminal is stuck. No, that straight snapped right off, yeah. I feel like I'm playing, what was that game? Operation. And the third one. Nice.
You redeemed yourself.
A little bit, a little bit.
Let's just, this kid. That's strike number 2 for you, guy.
Hey, so what happened there, bud?
Coming up this bank here, just wasn't leaning enough to the right. And
All I heard was Alright, let's try this out. Yeah, something's definitely not right. Okay, it's day 1. Let's not kill each other yet. Just give her maybe a pull.
yeah, that's not
And then we couldn't get it to start. And then we're like, all right, maybe the battery's dead. So we pull this thing and now it won't retract.
So he flipped it.
Yep.
Come on.
Not that bad though.
It was just like on a side.
Yeah,
it was like on an embankment. I wasn't even upside down. I was like this.
Is your kill switch down or is that up?
Kill switch is up. Yeah, no, kill switch is fine. Nothing's broken. Nothing's visibly. So we just tried starting it. So we didn't want to flood the engine. So we're like, all right, maybe the battery's just dead. Then we give this a yank and she's just now like hanging. She's just chilling.
Before it sounded like maybe the battery wasn't like catching, and now this cord won't go in.
It was running beautifully. And then the battery won't turn over. Then we're like, all right, let's not flood the fucking thing. And now we're super. We went from not wanting to flood it to now it's just
Just give it some choke, right? Give it a little bit of choke, then turn it over again.
Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Starting to retract. It's dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, your battery's dead. Nothing's wrong.
Okay, all right, cool. Well, thanks for chatting with us monkeys. We'll call you when that's in the ditch, okay? We'll call you when the truck's in the ditch. Sounds good? All right, thanks, Spencer. You know, he's with somebody right now. He just hung up the phone. He's like, these f***ing orangutans. All right, let's charge it.
Oh,
well, we were gonna get a new sled, but we broke the f***ing only one we had. Okay, relax. I mean, the big issue is we don't know what we're doing, but
Just run it to your car. Do you have an extendo cord or no? Or just put
I got an extendo clip. She's up and running. It was just a dead battery issue. It was weird. I don't know why it was dead. Probably because I haven't used the thing in the whole season, but now's the time to get a new friend for our little Polaris. Gonna have 2 snowmobiles for this trip. We're gonna be #dialed. Oh nice. Hey, can you connect the truck to the trailer? Yeah, sure, on it. All right, we're here. We made it. Time to go buy some toys.
It's the 50th anniversary of it. Or whatever. Yeah, it was like
Okay, how
a
much?
long track on 165.
Is this like
for
for
pout? Like
yeah.
deep. It's
Deep
probably
snow.
800.
Okay, cool. We found it. How much is it? Let's do this. Let's
Those are
shop.
sick.
That is
That's
cool.
for like UP or like outline.
Oh, there's another deep snow. That's it.
I love that one.
What do you think? Baby blue or mustard yellow? These things are sick. I like my snowmobile now, which by the way is a Polaris. It's an Indy, but I'm thinking we upgrade. We get something really nice. We treat ourselves. We need a good toolie for the sled, for the cabin. You know, we gotta get something reliable. What'd you find? This? Yeah, the yellow. Dude, I love the yellow. It's so sick. So sick. Oh, dude. I don't really have a budget. I just want something that's reliable. I want something that's a 2-stroke. What else do we need? We need something that's got a pretty wide track.
Yeah, you're maybe I would get like a one that's a little longer. Like because just looking at what the options are.
Okay, should we ask Buddy? Let's go get it. Let's go get like a rep or something like that. I'm so stoked. Okay.
And like he said, 850 is probably really
Right, right. BAR.
rich.
Hey, we'll see you guys in a bit. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
thanks guys.
Yep. We got it. Let's go get this sled. Let's go get this sled. Almost like, you know, let's go get this bread, but a little bit different.
So what do they do?
Bad joke. Okay, so this is kind of cool. It's so weird, like 2 seconds ago it was light, but now it's dark. I guess that's the whole Northern Territory memo, but we decided on a sled. We actually got a Polaris. So we've got 2 Polarises now. One's a little bit bigger than the other one. This one's also newer. But Bangor Motorsports in Bangor hooked it up and helped us out with some of the payment on this big, beautiful beauty. It's not over there. I don't know why I did that, but it's gonna be on there in a little bit. So we're gonna go pick up the sled, wrap it up on the ramp, and you know, bring it home. Bring it to its new home. I'm so pumped. What'd you say? Balaclava, what's that?
Face mask.
Oh yeah, no, I've got baklava. Isn't that what it's called? Or balaclava?
Balaclava is the. Yeah.
Oh, is it really?
Baklava is a Greek dessert.
Same difference. Baklava is a Greek dessert.
So you can just do it.
Oh yeah, for sure. Just get my dirty ass prints on
So it's
it.
got 2 shields on it, and then you drop that down.
And if you really wanted to, that other shield's quick release. You just push 2 buttons, it pops off, and you can run goggles with it. Wow. So it's kind of a multi-purpose helmet.
This is sick. Let's do that. I like this.
Go that one too?
Yeah, Stormtrooper style. I like it. What, you need to wear it down or what? Or just all the time?
You should be good to drive it now.
So that was entertaining. That was pretty interesting. I thought it'd be cool to just load it up, old-fashioned style, right? Like as how you should always do it, but I guess fresh skis and I don't know, it's really slick here. Almost killed the guy that sold us our brand new sled, but take a look at her. It's a Voyager 600 by Polaris. I also have a Polaris back home. No affiliation with them. It's a good ski. It was recommended to me. It's a little bit bigger. It's definitely a lot bigger. It's not a 2-seater, but definitely more room for the goodies. But we're gonna rip this guy around probably tomorrow morning. It's a little bit dark right now. We're gonna wake up bright and breezy in the morning and we're gonna rip this guy around. So we'll meet you in the AMs. Hell yeah. Well guys, it's a new day and it's a big day because we get to break in the new sled, the new Thule. This thing is so damn sick. I will admit, I did drive it a little bit off of camera just so I get acquainted. It is so nice. I love my old sled. It's a good sled. It's a nice one. But this, holy shit. 0 hours, brand freaking new, 2020 Polaris. So I figured it'd be kind of cool to take you guys on like a little bit of a nature rip, little nature rip. Gonna get on the sled, gonna hoot around here in the northern woods of Maine, and I'm gonna get acquainted with my brand new baby. This thing is so dirty. Okay, let's do it. You want to? Let's get ripping. Yes, sir. Just listen to this thing. It sounds better than it looks. Woo-wee. The best part is it's very, very fast. Let's test her out. All right, boys, we're going for a little nature rip. Let's do this thing. That was insane! This thing is f***ing awesome, dude. Holy shit, hang on, give me a second. Let me take my helmet off so you guys can hear me talk. Well, we just went on a little nature rip there. I actually chased down a deer. There was a deer in the middle of the road, as you guys saw there with the GoPro clip, and that was kind of fun. The deer was faster, but that was only because I was going 1/8 throttle. But this thing is so sick. I wanna ask you guys now, what is the next toy that I need to buy for the main cap? And I've got a winter toy, which is obviously epic, but I need to know. I want your guys' opinion. Drop a comment down below and suggest me something that I should get. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate the view. Like I said, drop a comment down below. What toy should I get next? This was a good start, but we got a lot of other stuff we need to get for the cabin. But anyway, I'm peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys for watching. As always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.